So let's learn the second sum from exercise 3.1. The question is write the coefficient of x square and x in the following polynomials. Okay, so they have asked us to write the coefficient of x square and x. Okay, so we should see where the variable x square and x is there in the polynomial. Okay, so we have the x square here and x here. What do you mean by coefficient? Coefficient means it is the value which is given before the variable x square and x. So before x square we have plus 2 by 5. So you should take the value along with the given sign. So it is plus 2 by 5. So coefficient of x square is plus 2 by 5. Okay. So now see the coefficient of x. X variable is here. So the value before x is, take it along with the sign. So it is minus 3. So coefficient of x is minus 3. This is the answer. Okay. So now see the second subdivision question. So from the given polynomial, you have to take and write the coefficient of x square. So x square is here. And then coefficient of x is here. Okay, so now take the value before x square, it is minus 2. Okay, coefficient of x square is minus 2. Take it along with the sign and write. Okay, ma. So what is coefficient of x? So before x we have minus root 7. So coefficient of x is minus root 7 is the answer. Now see the third subdivision question. So the question is pi x square minus x plus 2. So they have asked us to write the coefficient of x square and x. Okay, so we have to see the value which is given before x square and x. So the value before x square is plus pi, right? Pi value is given. So coefficient of x square is pi. Coefficient of x. Now see the coefficient of x. Only minus sign is given. If there is no value before any variable, it is understood it is 1, right? Yes, it is understood it is 1. Okay, so take it along with the sign of minus 1. Coefficient of x is minus 1. Okay, children. So now let's see the fourth subdivision. So coefficient of x square. See the x square variable is here and then x variable is here. The coefficient of x square is root 3. Okay, plus root 3. What is the coefficient of x? Take it along with the sign here. They have given it is also plus only. So plus root 2. Coefficient of x is plus root 2. Okay, now let's see the fifth subdivision. Coefficient of x square. X square is here and x is here. Coefficient of x square means we have to take the value before x square. Before x square, see here, I don't have any value, right? If there is no value, what I have told you, it is understood, it is 1. Okay, so what is the coefficient of x square now? It is 1. Okay, what is coefficient of x? See, the value before x is 7 by 2. You have to take it along with the sign. So here I have minus. So the answer is minus 7 by 2 is the answer. Okay, children. So now let's move on to the third question. Find the degree of the given polynomials. Okay. So we want to find out the degree of the polynomial. What do you mean by degree? Okay, so degree of the polynomial means the highest power in the given polynomial. We should see which is the highest power in the given polynomial. Okay, children. So now 1 minus root 2 y square plus y power 7. In this polynomial, power 7, power 2 I have, right? So consider this power 2 and 7 now. Which is highest? The highest power is 7. So what you will write, ma? The degree of the polynomial is 7. The highest power of this polynomial is 7. So the degree of the polynomial is 7 is the answer. Okay, children. So now let's see the second subdivision. So see here we have x cube minus x power 4 plus 6x power 6 divided by x square. So here you tell me whether it is a polynomial or not. It is not a polynomial. Why? Why? Because what I have told you, for a polynomial, the variable should not be there in the denominator part, right? Yes. So here we have the variable in the denominator part. Okay. So if the variable is there in the denominator part, it is not at all a polynomial. So how to convert this in polynomial form? Here, see here, it is x cube minus x power 4 plus 6x power 6, the whole divided by x square. Whole divided by x square means for all these terms, x cube, x power 4 and 6x power 6, this x square is commonly divisible. So அதை நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், தனித்தனியாக டிவைட் பண்ணி எழுதலாம் இல்லையாம்மா. ஸோ x cube divide by x square minus x power 4 divide by x square plus 6x power 6 divide by x square. So this common denominator I can separate for each and every term of the numerator. Yes. So now see here, x square here from x cube, 2x I can cancel. So what will be there remaining? 1x will be there remaining. Now see here, x square and here also 2x I can cancel. So remaining you will be having x square. So minus x square. Now x square here I can cancel 2x. So remaining you will be having 4, right? So 6x power 4 will be there. Okay, now see here, this is a polynomial now, right? So now find out the degree of this polynomial. We have x power 2 and x power 4, right? So which is the highest power, ma? 4 is the highest power. So what's the answer? Degree of the polynomial is 4. Yes, degree of the polynomial is 4. Yes, children. So now let's move on to the third subdivision. X cube into x square plus x. Okay. So now see here, this we have as a product. X cube is common for these two terms. So first we have to multiply this and we have to make it as a polynomial. So x cube into x square. See here, x cube into x square means same base, means when you have multiplication sign in between and if you have same base value x and x means you have to write the base value one time and you have to add the power. So 3 plus 2 is x power 5. Okay, children. So the x cube into x square is x power 5 plus x cube into x is, add the power, x is x power 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So now x power 5 plus x power 4 is the polynomial. The degree of this polynomial, the degree of this polynomial is 5. Okay, the highest power is 5 now. Okay, so now let's see the fourth subdivision. So already it is given as a polynomial form. So now see here, which is the highest power, 4, 2 or 6. 6 is the highest power, right? So degree of the polynomial is 6. Is 6 is the answer. Okay, now let's see the fifth subdivision. 2 root 5 power p power 4 minus 8 by root 3 p power cube plus 2 by 7 p square. So see here, we have this polynomial and now tell me which is the highest power. 4 is the highest power. So degree of this polynomial is 4. Degree of the polynomial is 4. Okay. So let's see the fourth sum. Rewrite the following polynomial in standard form. So we want to write the given polynomial in standard form. So before that you should know what is the standard form, right? Standard form means you should write the given polynomial from the highest power to the lowest power. Okay, from highest power to lowest power that is we will say as descending order, right? Descending means highest to lowest, okay? That is descending order, okay? Next it is we have ascending order. Ascending order means lowest power to highest power. So you can write in either way. That is what is standard form. Either you can write from highest power to the lowest power, or else from lowest power to the highest power. Both are standard form only. So descending order, let's write the descending order first. Descending means highest power to lowest power. I have told you, bigger number to the smallest number. Highest power is x cube, is the highest power in this polynomial. So take and write that plus root 7 x cube, right? The next highest is x square, so plus 6x square. The next is x, yeah, so the coefficient of x is 1, so it is plus 1x. The next is the constant value, so the constant is minus 9, so it is minus 9, okay? So the next is the ascending order, okay? What do you mean by ascending order, ma? From the lowest power to the highest power. So just you reverse this and write constant first. Minus 9 to the front, minus 9 plus 1x plus 6x square plus root 7x cube. That's all. This is the answer for ascending order. So now let's see the next second subdivision. It is root 2x square minus 7 by 2x power 4 plus x minus 5x cube. So write the descending order first. Descending order means from highest power to lowest power, right? So which is the highest power, ma? X power 4 is the highest. Take it along with the sign and write minus 7 by 2x power 4. The next highest is x cube, so it is minus 5x cube. The next highest is x square, so plus root 2x square. And then next is the x value, so it is plus 1x. Okay children, now write the ascending order. Ascending means lowest power to the highest power. Just reverse this and write 1x first, plus 1x plus root 2x square minus 5x cube minus 7 by 2x power 4 is the answer. Okay, so now let's see the third subdivision. What is descending order? Write the descending order first. It is highest power to lowest power, right? So highest power is x cube, so 7x cube. Already it is in standard form only. After cube it is square, after square it is x, and then constant, right? So take and write as it is, minus 6 by 5x square plus 4x minus 1. Now write the ascending order. Ascending means lowest to the highest power. So just reverse this and write minus 1. Take it along with the sign and write constant is minus 1. Then plus 4x. Then minus 6 by 5x square. Then plus 7x cube. Okay children. So now let's move on to the fourth subdivision. So what is descending order? Right, from highest power to the lowest power. Descending order. Which is the highest power in this polynomial? Y power 4, right? Take it along with the sign and write plus 9y power 4. Next is y cube plus root 5y cube. Next is y square. So the coefficient of y square, it is understood, it is 1. So plus 1y square. Next is y. Y coefficient is minus 7 by 3y. Next we have constant minus 11. So now see here, power 4, 3, 2, 1, constant. 4. It is in order, right? So now write the ascending order. Ascending order means from lowest power to highest. Take and write from the constant. Just reverse this. Constant is minus 11. Take it along with the sign and write minus 11. Minus 7 by 3y plus 1y square plus root 5y cube plus 9y power 4. This is the answer. Next, the fifth question. Add the following polynomials and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. So, they have asked us to add the given polynomial. Okay. So, you have two methods of adding the polynomial. One is which you would have followed in your lower classes. Yes. In your lower classes, you would have followed that. You will write the number, first given number at the top and next given number at the bottom. Then you will add, right? That method also you can follow. But what is the standard method I am teaching you? Okay, adding the polynomials p of x and q of x you have to add. So p of x plus q of x. I am going to add this. So take and write p of x as it is 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Okay. Plus. Okay. P of x I have written. Next what sign I have in between is plus. So plus q of x. What is q of x is 6x cube minus 7x plus 5. So I have written p of x plus q of x. If it is plus in between, you need not put the bracket after that plus and all. Okay. So I have written as it is now. So now what you should do is you have to see the highest power. Which is the highest power now in all these terms? X cube is the highest power. Now you have to check whether you have any other x cube term here. No other x cube term. So because like term should be added. You all know that. Yeah, x cube will be added with only the x cube term. So we don't have any other x cube term. So take and write this first. Plus 6x cube. Okay. So next, after power 3, the next lowest power is x square. Now check, do you have any other x square term? No, right? So now take and write this as it is. Plus x square. Okay. Now after x power 2, the next lowest power is x power 1. We have two terms with x power 1. One is minus 7x. Other also it is minus 7x. So like term should be added. X term should be added with the other x term only. Minus 7, same sign. Yeah? So add and put the same sign. When you add 7 plus 7 is 14. Put the same sign minus. 7x plus minus 7x is minus 14x. Okay. Now next what is remaining is constant value 2 and 5. Plus 2 plus 5 is plus 7. Okay children. So when I add p of x and q of x, this is the answer. 6x cube plus 6x square minus 14x plus 7. Next what they have asked, add the polynomial and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. What do you mean by resultant polynomial? The answer what you got is the resultant polynomial. From this answer, they have asked us to find out the degree. Degree, what is degree? I have told you. Degree means highest power. Which is the highest power in this answer? 3 is the highest power. So what you will write? Degree of the resultant polynomial is 3. This is the answer. Okay. This is the standard method what you will follow, because in your higher studies also you will follow this method only. But if you find this as difficult, I will teach you the next method. But this I will not recommend. It is your wish. Okay. Another method is, okay, p of x you take and write. Okay, what is p of x? It is 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Next, q of x you write. Q of x we have 6x cube. So x cube should be written front, because below x square you should write only x square term. Below x square you should not write x cube term. Okay, so So I'll write 6x cube here. Next, in q of x, you don't have x square value at all. You don't have x square at all. So below the 6x square, you should write plus 0x square, because as we don't have x square term in this q of x polynomial, I should write 0x square. Next, below x term, you should write the x term. X term in q of x is minus 7x again. So minus 7x. Then below the constant, you should write the constant of q of x is plus 15. Understood, children? So now I am going to add these two, as you will add in your lower classes. Start from the constant. 2 plus 15 is plus 17. Okay? Sorry, it is 15, but where I have written 5 here. So it is 15. The answer is 17 here. Okay, children? So now, when you add 2 plus 15, it is 17. Minus 7x is minus 14x. Same sign, add and put the same sign. Put the same sign, okay? 6x square plus 0x square is 6x square. Okay, children, plus 6x cube alone I have. So write that as it is 6x cube. So this is the answer. P of x plus q of x is equal to, this is the answer. Okay, we have got the same answer, right? Okay, so you can either follow this method or this method, but this is the standard method which we will use in the next 10th standard and 11th standard in your higher studies. Okay, so now let's see the second subdivision. Okay, now in this sum I am going to follow only the standard method, h of x plus f of x. Write h of x as it is 7x cube minus 6x plus 1. In between you have plus sign, so put that plus sign. Next, write the f of x polynomial 7x square plus 17x minus 9. Okay, so now see the highest power, it is x cube. Highest power is x cube, right? Do we have any other x cube term? No, right? So take and write this 7x cube as it is. The next, after x cube, the next lowest is x square. X square I have here. Do we have any other x square term? No. So take this and write plus 7x square. Next lowest is x term. We have 2x term now. Minus 6x plus 17x. Different sign. Yeah, plus 17 minus sign. Different sign means subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract this, 17 minus 6 is 11. The greater number is 17. That sign is plus. So plus 11x. Then next is constant. Plus 1 minus 8. Sorry, plus 1 minus 9. Different sign. Different sign means you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. 9 minus 1 is 8. The greater number sign is minus. So minus 8 is the answer. So we have found out the answer now, right? This is the answer for the addition of these two polynomial. So now we want to find out the degree of the resultant polynomial. What is the degree of the resultant polynomial? Degree of the resultant polynomial is, the highest power is 3. So the degree of the highest resultant polynomial is 3 is the answer. So now let's add the third subdivision, f of x and g of x. Okay, so f of x plus g of x is equal to, take and write f of x 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9. Next, what you have, ma? Plus in between. Put that plus symbol. Next, write the g of x. G of x is with minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. Okay, so now 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9, plus into minus is minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. Now, which is the highest power? You see, x power 4. We don't have any other x power 4 term. So write that as it is 16x power 4. Next lowest power is x cube. We don't have any other x cube. So take and write that as it is minus x cube. Next lowest is x square. We don't have any other x square. So write that as it is minus 5x square. Next lowest is x. We don't have any other x term here. So write that as it is plus 7x. Next is the constant plus 9 minus 15. Different sign. Different sign means subtract. 15 minus 9 is 6 and put the greater number sign. So it is minus 6 is the answer. So this is the answer for this. Now you have to write the degree. Degree of the resultant polynomial. Degree of the resultant polynomial is the highest power, yeah? Which is the highest power in this answer? 4 is the highest power, is 4. This is the answer.